Sa totoo lang po, hindi mo talaga kami nagse-celebrate ng Valentine's Day. Kasi
we always know that every day is a Valentine's.
Yes.
Kasi syempre, every day is a gift. Diba? Hindi naman natin alam kung bukas buhay pa tayo.
Correct.
So we celebrate every day.
Hi everyone! My name is Mike.
And I'm Min.
And we are the Ibiernases and this is the Voice of Veritas. Alam nyo, very exciting ang gusto naming ibahagi sa inyo ngayong araw na ito. Pero magpapakilala muna kami. My name is Mike Ibiernas, Brother Mike Ibiernas. I'm the feast builder of Feast Novotel. Ako po ay radio anchor din po ng Radyo Veritas every Sunday, 8 to 9 a.m. sa Gabay sa Biblia sa radyo. And I'm also a personality development coach.
Ako naman po si Maine Ibiernas. I'm a travel content creator and an entrepreneur.
Yan!
So kami rin po ay actually 5 years married na.
We have been married for 5 years. We got married November 2019 and life has been very exciting. Alam nyo, ngayong araw na to as we celebrate Valentine's Day, lagi naming naiisip no kung paano ba namin sineselebrate ang Valentine's Day. Sa totoo lang po, hindi mo talaga kami nagse-celebrate ng Valentine's Day. Kasi
we always know that every day is a Valentine's.
Yes.
Kasi syempre, every day is a gift. Diba? Hindi naman natin alam kung bukas buhay pa tayo.
Correct.
So we celebrate every day.
Naniniwala po talaga kami, no, that every single day is an opportunity for us to celebrate love. And yun naman po ang sineselebrate natin every Valentine's Day. And so we really just wanted to share to you a few reminders of how we can celebrate our Valentine's Day in a very Catholic, no, and a very siguro masasabi natin in a very decent way on how God would want us all to celebrate Valentine's Day. So pinakauna, number 1, no?
Maybe you can start your day with praying together.
Yes!
So,
or kung meron kayong pagkakataon
na pumunta ng
church,
maybe go to Mass or Blessed Sacrament together.
Yes!
Diba?
No, mas maganda kasi na ang pagmamahalan ay nakaikot sa totoong rason kung bakit naman natin sineselebrate ang Valentine's Day. And that's Jesus. No, He died for all of us. He's the main description of what love is. And mas maganda na ang pagmamahalan natin, lalong-lalo na ang mga relasyon natin as a couple, as boyfriend, girlfriends, as engaged, or as married couples, ay naka-anchor o nakapagitna ang Panginoon natin. So, very good yan. Of course, if you have the means, kung meron kayong budget, you can also celebrate Valentine's Day by going to a good restaurant, a fancy restaurant, pwede kayong kumain together, or manood ng sine.
Or kung nagtitipid kayo, pwede namang sa bahay lang.
Yes! We don't just celebrate the reason of love or the meaning of love, which is Jesus, pero we celebrate each other as a couple, yung journey ninyo.
Yes.
So it can be a fishbowl date, or it can be a date at home kung mag-asawa kayo, or it can be just sitting beside each other and doing the things that you love together. Ang importante naman dito is hindi yung araw ng celebration. Ang importante dito is yung sineselebrate nyo. At yun ay yung pagsasama ninyong dalawa. At pagmamahalan ninyo. And of course, the very last that we would want everyone to do, I think, in a very Catholic manner also, is to give affirmation to everyone. No, mas maganda na hindi nyo lang sineselebrate ang relationship ninyo, pero very vocal kayo sa nararamdaman ninyo at ina-affirm ninyo ang bawat isa. Remembering na sa relasyon, marami naman talaga mag-aaway. Minsan, Valentine's Day pa, doon pa kayo mag-aaway, di ba? Pero mas importante, ngayong araw na to, is we practice the values that Jesus has taught us. And ano yung mga values na yun? Patience, forgiveness, kindness, and of course, pag hindi pa kayo married couple, chastity, purity. Yan ang pinaka-importante sa lahat kasi gusto natin na mag-ground ang relationship ninyo sa mga tamang asal at sa mga tamang values. So remember always, number 1, the reason why we celebrate Valentine's is Jesus. So start your celebration with Jesus. Pangalawa, have a simple time together, quality time together. At pangatlo, practice good values as a couple, as a married couple, as someone who would want to do a beautiful or to grow a beautiful relationship with each other. So yun lang po. Maraming salamat. I hope and I pray that you have a very good celebration of Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching. This is Mike
and me
for Radio Veritas Asia, the voice of Asia Christianity. God bless everybody. Bye!